stuff, start packing everything, and nobody wanna say anything about why they pack all that stuff. I tried to find out, and find out that it said it maybe today is a tropical storm. This way a lot of people come out, try to clean up everything, secure everything, because it's maybe tropical storm tonight. We'll see. Barcelo prepared for the storm.
So let me give you a little update. Hello, I'm from channel 911 Cancun. No, apparently there's a storm coming that nobody knows about, but everybody packed up everything, and yeah, we can't do anything really. We'll see what the storm is all about. It's starting to rain right now.
It's so cool, right?
Not really. I mean,
some adventure.
Yeah. Maybe we might take an interview with one of those guys.
They didn't speak English. I already talked with them.
It's okay. We'll make them speak English. I'll translate.
I will translate. It's so quickly. It's like 20 minutes, right? And that's it. It's raining. Yeah. Yeah. They ask people to move inside of the building.
They haven't evacuated us yet.
Yes, it's not yet, but
it's raining. It's coming harder and harder.
Yeah.
Check the weather study.
Wave is huge.
There is a tropical storm, Zeta, and it's coming right at Cancun. Monday, right now, and it's lasting through Tuesday morning, so I don't think we're going anywhere tomorrow.
We'll see.
Through Tuesday Tuesday night even. Wow. It's hitting Cancun.
We'll see. You speak Spanish? Can you give us a little bit update? What you try to find out?
So the latest update, the latest report is that yes, there is a storm coming indeed. You can't see me out there. There is a storm coming indeed. Hold on, my hair. Okay. There is a storm coming indeed. And,
we know about that.
Okay. And he said it's going to be maybe about 3 hours, but he's not sure. But I think he's just trying to buff it a little bit, just like not to scare me. But I can see the scared look in his eyes that he's like, like, yes, there is a storm coming. Okay. So yes, you guys, there is a storm coming.
Do you want to get showered?
Yes. Maybe last time.
People still in the pool, enjoy life, get sunshine.
Maybe we should still swim in the pool too.
I don't know. My battery almost dead, and I have to recharge.
People are gone already.
Yeah, a lot of people gone, but we'll see. Storm update. Right now it's rain. They ask all the people move inside of the hotel. You can see in the beach, nobody in the beach right now. They try to secure everything, running back and forth. It's not super bad, but it's really windy. Give us updates.
And the update is that we're packing when we could have been tanning and swimming outside. Joking. No.
So the update, you guys, is very serious. We just received a letter saying that we need to evacuate as soon as possible from this room because our room is facing the ocean front and apparently we can't stay here. So we're gonna go and stay at a different room that's facing the beautiful garden. So we have to pack everything in our bags and go. We can't use anything. Well, we can't go anywhere. We have to stay in our rooms, and they said the safest place is the bathroom, so I guess we're gonna stay in the bathroom the whole time. maybe we're gonna order room service. But yeah, that's the update. That's the latest on the Zeta. On the Zeta, what's it called? Tropical storm. There you go. Stay tuned for more info.
Our seals are parked. Our beautiful view. Last update.
So the last update is that the winds are picking up the speed. The storm is definitely picking up. There are barely any people left, and those that are left are brave ones, or they just don't care. Everything is packed. It's ready to go. All of the lounge chairs are packed. Everything is closed. Everything is taken off. All of the lamps are taken off.
Yeah.
Everything's gone, like everything. Our bags are packed. We're ready to roll. We don't know where, but hopefully we'll get a room. Let's go.
Yeah, let's see. Bye bye, beautiful view.
Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you. And the other one, please. Okay, so the room is ready.
5840.
5840. Okay, let's go.
Okay. Then our room was changed to 5840.
Yes, but it's a different view.
Different view, yes. But
You guys, it's crazy. If I wasn't scared before, I'm totally scared now.
they move everything.
What is going on? They move every single thing. I think they're gonna take off the signs too and put
Yeah.
them somewhere safe.
Yeah, they remove TVs, everything.
Yeah. Well, I think the reason why is because they don't want anything to hit in your window or like your balcony or into people
Yeah.
if it's gonna come flying up. But we'll see what's gonna happen. So far, it's
Fun.
fun.
There you go.
5840.
5840, yes. Oh,
Oh, nice view.
nice view. Right in convention center.
It's so far away from the elevator.
Yeah. It's okay. All good. I think that room.
So what if people lived here? Did they move them out or what?
I don't know.
Or is these
I think
all-
this one, no?
No, 58.
Oh, 58.
Yeah, it's all the way on the other side.
Oh, it's nice.
So you think they move people out from here in order to accommodate us or what?
No, I don't think so.
You
There's
think
nobody
it's-
there.
You think it was empty?
Yes.
I think I feel the rain.
Yes.
Do you feel it?
Yes, I can.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe. Oh, it's raining. Yeah.
It is raining.
Maybe rain and too windy.
What?
Windy.
Yeah. It's coming somewhere.
5840. Wow, it's a little bit far away.
I think it's all the way down, like at the end. Well, you can use these elevators next time.
Yes. Yeah.
Something just keeps crushing me.
$57.82. Oops.
Видел, там некоторые люди только заехали. Oh, that's so cool. What is that?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
I think we'll have really nice view.
I think so too.
Yeah,
We'll have the
it's-
view of the whole Riviera Maya.
Yes. Because if it will be like
The view will be on that-
57.
Oh, we can't stand that side. We can only stand that side. right?
Yes, we can. Yeah, but it's still, it's not convention center view. It's a little bit.
We already passed convention center.
Yeah, it's really nice. Что тут было? Курицу резали. Курицу резали.
A little update on the left.
What? No.
Вот здесь комната, берешь, и у тебя весь лагун видно так. Oh, wow. Wow, impressive house. I think this is still not finished.
Yeah. Very interesting.
Yeah, I hope our key is gonna work and we won't have to go back to the front.
It's good exercise.
Okay, here we
Oh,
go.
there,
Here we go.
there you go. Okay.
Ready for this?
Yes.
You wanted to have a different room, remember?
I do. Oh,
Okay, I think it's the beach view.
yay! Wow, it's amazing.
Hey, what?
It's same view almost. It's
We can
really
see the
cool.
ocean?
We can see the ocean. Yes.
Ah.
Yes, this is. Oh yeah, it's perfect.
Wait, I don't get it. How can we see the ocean? Okay, why is this locked?
I think it's locked.
Why?
I don't know.
We can't go outside? How can we see the ocean?
Yeah, we can see the ocean.
I
It's
don't get
amazing.
this. Oh, look at that. There's another resort. Wow, it's so quiet here, completely different from the other
Yeah,
side.
it's very interesting.
Maybe this is the partial ocean view they were talking about.
It's fun.
Oh, I get it. I get it. Those are the little huts we see from that side.
Yeah.
Because we were all the way down there, remember?
Mhm.
Wow, this is a completely different side. That's pretty cool. I still don't get it, but
Okay, let's unpack and see what's going on. Oh, we can use jacuzzi.
oh, it's hot in here.
Really hot. Coffee machine.
I
It's
think the
really
room
nice.
is a little smaller, no?
Uh,
Oh yeah, there's no couch.
Oh yeah, it's a little bit smaller.
Yeah, because we had like a suite, and
I
this
know.
is not a suite.
Yeah.
So, but oh well, we're willing to.
Yeah, it's a little bit smaller, but it's fine. It's really cool. Still good. Let me see. Oh, there you go. It's nice, clean. Restroom.
The main part. Oh, even a separate shower.
What?
Oh yeah, it was the same. Okay, let's unpack.
Yeah, it's a little bit smaller, but I think it's fine. It is
For
okay.
one night, I think it's good.
It's really like it's still brand new,
Yeah, I don't think anyone lived here before.
Yeah, I think we are first ever people who in that room.
Gotta make a selfie.
Okay.
Okay, turn away. Yeah, the view is a little ghetto, but
Yeah, it's old.
it's a different property.
Yeah.
It used to be a resort, but
History, yeah.
I guess it's all gone. Maybe a storm hit it.
Maybe.
The waves are really pretty though. Look at the ocean. It's so blue and
Yes. It's okay, but this is the you see? It's a lot of rain right there. It's really slippery. I think it's premium level, which is closed right now. Oh, there you go.
I got you now.
Yes.
Okay.
Когда шторм начнется, when the storm will start, we will stay here
Yeah,
and check it
right.
out.
Oh, look at this. What's here?
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
it's really nice.
That's cool.
Premium level.
Yep. It's still not open, it's closed, but they said it will open it in December, I believe.
Yeah.
Johnson's shop. Sebastian.
Let's try. Mm-mm.
Wow, that's huge.
It's huge, yes.
I don't think we're supposed to be here.
Maybe. But you like it.
Well.
We have to be really quiet.
Yeah, I hope you're gonna find your way back. Okay, I'm getting scared now. Why is it so dark here?
Because it's closed.
Oh my goodness, those are some huge fruits. Very long.
It's horrible view. Wow.
Don't say that.
Yeah, you see, it's really, really old one.
Wow, that's really old. Wow, it used to be a nice resort probably.
Really nice. It's some unique.
With different huts and everything. Wow, poor thing. Sad.
Yeah. We can get that property, I think.
You wanna buy it and
Yeah.
renovate it?
Rebuild, yeah.
Oh wow, that's wow. So we kind of did get an oceanfront. Sushi bikini.
Oh, that's the guy. You see?
Oh wow, what?
He's living there.
That's crazy.
And the resort, you know, free. All the buildings is done. Every single one.
Wow, that's sad. Oh, you see that guy over there? The white one?
Uh-huh. It's funny.
That's right. I think bananas grow there too.
Okay, let's go then. Let's go eat maybe.
Yeah.
All clean and nice.
Wait, did they hide them in the water for
Yes,
Are you
they hide
serious?
them. Wow.
That's so smart, I guess.
Yes.
How are they gonna pick it up? It's gonna be so heavy.
Yeah, they hide them. You can see inside. Wow, it's
And
amazing.
you thought they flew there?
Yes.
Oh, honey, I'm sorry. Maybe let's go take pictures by the beach. They're gonna be beautiful.
Yeah. Wow.
Like, what my eyes.
Everything prepared to the storm.
Oh, look at the waves.
Yeah. Super windy.
Look at how the palm trees are bending.
Huh?
Look at how the palm trees are bending down.
Yeah.
Trying to rain.
Rain, yes.
So look for seashells.
It's super windy. Okay, let's go. Outside is empty, right?
Yeah, you get the whole pool to yourself, the whole beach to yourself, everything. We'll see how the restaurant is. I think it's packed.
Yeah, maybe. They evacuate every single person from Pony. You see, a couple more people still
Maybe they're just taking their last pictures.
Maybe. Maybe. Oh, they clean up outside too of restaurant. Huge empty space. No.
I want to eat.
Eat. Apple and bananas.
Thank you so much.
Oh, this is our spot. This is our spot.
We finally get to eat and watch the storm. What could
In
be
life.
better? What I mean, this is a dream come true.
Okay, milady.
Senor,
Last update.
everything's wonderful. I don't know why people are panicking. It's beautiful outside. The ocean is clear blue. The waves are huge. The palm trees are just, you know.
It's a little bit windy still,
Yeah, it is.
but we'll see because it's.
I think it's hard to. Yeah, we haven't heard anything new.
Yes.
Yeah, we haven't heard anything new, any updates. Everything's just the same. We're waiting for 8 o'clock because that's when the storm is gonna start. Yeah, we just ate a really nice lunch, dinner, whatever,
Brunch.
brunch. We just spent 2 hours at the restaurant. Oh yeah. I think it's gonna be beautiful pictures right now with the wind. My hair, you know, like
Yeah. A lot of people outside. Yeah.
they're taking pictures.
Pictures.
Okay, here's the first. Okay, you guys, here's the first sign of destruction. Let me show you.
Yeah. I see.
Была пальма, нету пальмы.
Смотри, где уже волны такие. Тут уже мы купались. Прилив. Okay. Right now 6:30 p.m. It's really windy, and let's see what's going on outside. It's rain. Let's see what's going on with the ocean. It's waves, but overall it's still okay. For this place it's huge waves. And it's very interesting that waves, it's really close to the building. You can see, oh, it's super windy. Okay, right now still the same. It's not super big deal, but it's really windy and huge waves, especially for this place. If we will find out a little bit more information, we'll tell you exactly, and we'll upload all the videos. But right now, not really bad. Still windy. Waves waves become bigger. Oh, it's very interesting. Then in some spots it's no wind at all, but it's still beautiful space. It's beautiful hotel. It's amazing. Really, really nice one. It's perfect. Still waiting. What's going on next? But right now it's 6:30 p.m. in Riviera Maya, Mexico. It's 1 hour away from the Cancun. We have big waves for this place. It's like a really huge one, and also it's really bad wind. It's really windy, but overall it's all still all okay. But outside it's like 80 degrees outside. It's really good. We have to charge our phones, we have to charge our laptops, cameras, because they said it can be no power. This way we have to be prepared for that no power too, to keep you guys updated with everything. Okay, see you later.